Look at that thing, man, that is huge. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I don't know if you can tell, but I am with a mate and we are gonna go to Box Hill. I've got 2 POVs rolling at the moment, so hopefully we can get some good footage. We don't like them, we do not like them. He's right on me, boys! What the hell? The upper hand on me. Oh shit, man. Oh my god. My hoodie straps are slapping around. Oh. Oh my god, that is going to be so annoying. Bros on my right. Behind an RV, you're kidding. Oh my god, where's gone? No way. Where's Henry? He's behind me. 79, 80. Oh, these roads are nice. What the hell? Holy shit, man, there's a plane. Fucking hell. You'll be my life. Woo. Uh-oh there. Show me. None of that kid can show me. God, man, leaning is amazing, but I can't do it with these guys. Look at that thing, man, that is huge. Oh my god. That is, I wasn't expecting that. Where are we going? I can't see. Huh? I was trying to get your attention for ages. It was average 50 down that whole. Oh shit!